Hey, this is Puneet back again from exceljamps.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a smart Excel formula that you can use to sum values based on years. So you have a date column and you want to use years for the sum. So let's have a look. All right, so here I have the date column and here I have the helper column with years. So the point is, I don't want to use the helper column. I just want a formula that allows me to sum quantity based on year from the date column itself. So I'm going to delete this helper column and remove this formula as well. So let me move these years here so that I can sum for both of these years. So I'll use the first function, that is the filter function. I'll enter the filter function, and in the first argument, that is array, I'm going to specify the quantity column, that is the column from where I want to get the sum. And let me come back, and in the include argument, I'm going to specify one more function, that is the year function, which is an old function available in almost every Excel version. I'll specify year and select the date column. Now I'm going to close it, and here with the year function, I'm going to specify a simple condition, that is the year for which I want the sum. I'll close the filter function and I'll go at the starting of the formula and then wrap this filter and year function with the sum function, because I need the sum of the quantity. So I'll close this function again and hit enter. And here I have sum of quantity for the year that I have without actually using any helper column. So this is the easiest way to sum by year. And let me just drag this formula down. But first of all, freeze this range. And here we have total for the second year as well. And if somehow you don't have access to the filter function, you can also use SUMPRODUCT for the same formula. So when I enter SUMPRODUCT, in the first argument, that is array 1, I'm going to specify 2 minus sign, and then I'm going to start with the year function. Again, I'm going to select the date column and I'm going to specify this condition of the year. And let me wrap this entire part in a bracket. Now, in the second argument, I'm going to simply specify the quantity column here. And now I'm going to close the function. And here I have sum for the first year. And let me just freeze this reference here and this one too. And let me drag this formula down. And here I have sum for the second year as well. So these were the two simple formulas that you can use to sum based on years, even if you have a date column. So you don't need a helper column by extracting years. You just need to use any of these formulas. So make sure to share which formula you like the most in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.